Good morning, children. Good morning. Sit down, all of you. How are you? Fine. Good. So, last class I had given you a brief description about government. Okay. How the government is important in democracy, how it is functioning. Little bit I had told to you, but today we will go through how the government actually functions, who are others, who are they helping the government in the functioning of in democracy, that we will see. And here when I am telling about how the government is working, that means the government is held by some institutions, that you write down, institutions. Okay. Because in country like India, it is not easy that government can carry out all the activities. It must take the help of others. Okay. But before going through these institutions, we have to see what government is doing or which field government is working the most. First, it is your education. Okay, education. How people of India will be developed. Good education should be provided to the people in rural areas along with the urban areas. Next, it is health. Okay, health, it is one important matter for government. How people will be provided for nutritional food, how the medicines will be there for different types of diseases, and people will be free from diseases. That is also the outlook of the government. Besides these two, then other things the government does. That is what? That is administration. What other things? Administration. Okay. How the country to be administered, ruled, because it is the government chosen by the people. How the people will be ruled. Okay. So, it is administration. Next, it is what? Besides that administration, it is the political, economic field in which development is there. Political economic field. That means for development government is to carry out some work. Okay. So, these are the things: education, health, administration, political economic development. And when government is doing all these activities, it is not doing by itself, because some rules and regulations the government is to follow. Rules and regulations. Okay. The government is to follow some rules and regulations. If it is not guided by the rules and regulations, then we cannot accept the things provided by the government. That we must know, that government, when carrying the activities in different field, it must be followed some rules and regulations. Now, coming to these rules and regulations and all these activities, then it is not the sole work of the government. Here in this case, the government is held by different institutions. Okay. So, What are institutions? You can write down what are institutions. Institutions. Okay. You can ask me, you are talking of institution, but what is that? What are institutions? Now, the arrangements that are made, okay, that are made, those arrangements are called institutions. Arrangements. Okay. The arrangements which are made, those arrangements are known as institutions. Then what are those arrangements? Okay. Now the Constitution says okay, Constitution says that each part of the government should be guided by the rules and regulations and functions accordingly. No one will supersede the other organ of the government. Okay. So, here also the Constitution says the power of each organ of government should be such that it should be for the development of country. Okay. That means according to the Constitution, the powers are been described for the government, which organ, how much power it should, and the power should not supersede the other organ of the government. That is already decided by the Constitution, and accordingly those organs are to work. Then coming to your institution, or the otherwise known as the working of institutions. Institutions. Here we are to see three main, okay, three main institutions. First it is, write down, okay, first it is Prime Minister and the Cabinet. Prime Minister, Cabinet, okay. What is its role now? Its role to take policy decision, to take policy decision. Okay. Prime Minister, Cabinet is to take policy decision. Now, only taking policy decision not sufficient, it must be worked out. Then next it is civil servants. Civil servants, they are responsible for the implementation. Implementation. Okay. Whatever it is decided by the Prime Minister Cabinet, and it is to be implemented by the help of civil servants. Then the question arises, are they the sole authority to rule in the country? Not exactly, because when so many members are involved in policies, then there is the controversy, different of opinion. Okay. So, when the controversy or difference of opinion arises, then who is there to look after that matter? It is Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Supreme Court, then what is the role of Supreme Court? It is to see that the problem between the government and common people should be solved. Okay? Any controversy, any problem it is arising in between the government and public, then it is the lookout of Supreme Court, and Supreme Court solves that. Okay? Then the functioning of the government and the role of civil servants, that is important one, and they work properly under the guidance of judiciary. Okay? So, these things we are to remember more. And if these people means Prime Minister, Cabinet, civil servants, it is not an easy task. When they are taking decisions or implementing decision, it must be delayed. Means they must be taking much time. Why so? Because so many are involved, so many decisions, so many suggestions, so many complaints. Okay, so it must be delayed, much time will be taken for that matter. But somehow when it is finally coming to the practice, then it is good for the people, because alternatively the good it is coming from their decisions. Okay, so the decisions may be delayed, but when it is activated, then these decisions are good for the people. Okay, so these are the main parts in democracy. If the functioning of democracy is to be good, then these institutions or their need, it is very important. Okay, so this much you will practice from your book. Next class we will be going through the role of the different institutions, how President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, then your judiciary, how they are functioning. That we will go through from your book. So, this much you are to practice, and any problem, first you go through your book, any problem we can discuss in the next class. Okay, children?